Tired of unsightly vertical grid lines cluttering your Tableau dashboards? Today, we'll banish those visual distractions and make your data shine. First, direct your attention to the top toolbar and locate the Format menu. Give that a click to open the formatting pane. Now, within the Format pane, look for the Lines icon. It usually resembles a set of lines. Select this icon. Under Lines, you'll see options for various types of lines. We are targeting vertical grid lines, so find the Grid Lines section below it. You'll see row and column. The vertical grid lines are also known as column dividers. Click the Color drop-down menu under Column from the color palette. Choose None. This will completely remove the vertical grid lines from your view. And there you have it. Your visualization is now free of those distracting vertical lines, allowing your data to take center stage. Remember to explore the other line formatting options to further customize the look and feel of your Tableau dashboards. Please, subscribe for more Tableau tips.